Hey everybody, how you doing? Hope you're having a great one. This is just a little show of a kit. This is the Bandai Boba Fett kit. Um, I usually don't do many of these or even show many of them on the video, but I still have to paint him, but I do have him all together. I don't know how soon I'll get to actually painting him. Usually these I end up just putting them together and setting them aside and just never getting back to them. But it was a fun kit. His little scope thing even flips down. It's like a rubbery black plastic. It's very flexible, and like he has a strap. Um, but like any other Bandai kits, they move around. But the one thing I've noticed a lot of people do when they build these is put them together, then take them apart, and glue the areas that you can, like the leg and the feet and all that, and then you can hide the seams and then you can paint it. But traditional Bandai, they make it so you don't even have to really paint it to be done. But you know, you kind of just got the action figure look. But he's very posable. You could probably do a good stop motion video with him, just like that. But I'll put him on the side of the workbench, and once it gets time, I'll start taking them apart and hiding some of these seams. Some of this plastic, I think this one is more flexible, it has a little bit more of a rubber feel to it. His little things on his shoulder does. It does have some decals to the kit. It has decals and stickers, so there's the stickers and there's the decals. I won't put these on until it's, you know, after I hide the seams and glue it together. Boba Fett does usually have a lot of scratches and silver marks and stuff of weathering. He has a gun down there, a pistol, and then he has a like a rifle pistol. And I still have some of the clips. I try to cut those as smooth as I can when I do that. He does have two sets of hands. I think I always keep those hands because these ones look real generic. And he comes with this base. The base actually has it so you can clip more of them together, so that way you can have a bunch of figures together. I didn't really see any other kits like this one when I got this one, but I'm sure there is if you look online. I think I got this one at Hobby Lobby. So, but I think he was the only one I saw. Real fun kit, something you can do, sit and watch TV. You don't have to paint it before you put it together. It's just something you can throw together. So, of course, if I end up painting him, I will make sure you guys see it. But I'm sure if I do a good paint job, I'll have to find these colors before I do that and do some washes and stuff. It'll really look good. Do them like any other kind of figure. But this one arm's coming out. But I haven't painted a Gundam yet. I probably won't have, so we'll see. The only Gundam I've ever painted was this little guy, and I airbrush painted him. So I might do something like that, because this one looked real generic till I painted it. So it might be the same way with him. Well, until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.